For your patience. Can I get you started with anything to eat today?
I have a mobile order for Tamika.
I'm so sorry. What was the name for that?
Tamika.
Sure, let me check on that, ma'am. You're all set, ma'am. You can pull around.
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Hey friends, welcome back. It's Life with Tamika Lynn. I hope you are having a fabulous Sunday. It is day 15 of Vlogmas, and so I really hope you guys have been enjoying, all of these videos that I'm making. I'm enjoying making them for you, so I truly hope that you're finding some type of entertainment out of this. I hope you're enjoying the bags that I'm showing, and I'm enjoying having that dialogue with you guys. I love when you leave me comments, so feel free to leave me comments whenever. If you are new here, welcome. I love all things fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. I absolutely love handbags, so I do a lot of handbag reviews. If those are things that interest you, please hit that subscribe button. I would love for us to be friends on a full-time basis. So in today's video, you guys saw this morning, I went to Publix. I absolutely love Publix. We lived on the West Coast for a little while, and so Publix was not, in our area. And it made me sad because after being in Europe for several years and then, going to the West Coast, I didn't have Publix in my life, but because I'm from the East Coast, I'm a Florida girl, so I grew up with Publix, the supermarket. So being back on the East Coast, I appreciate Publix. I'm in there like multiple times a week. I think I know literally everybody that works in there, but it's like my happy place. So on Sundays, my Sundays usually start slow. I like to get up before everybody in the house, have a nice cup of coffee. I like to move slow in the mornings on Sundays. Like Sundays are like that day of the week for me that I appreciate the most because I try to be very intentional in what I'm doing. What I'm cooking for Sunday dinner, what we're doing for the day, if we're going to church service or if we have other things that we're doing, like I try to be intentional because I love the idea of Sunday to reset, renew. So I absolutely love Sundays. So I hope you guys had a wonderful Sunday. In today's video, the bag of the day is, I say it often, but this is one of my favorites. And some would argue that it's not a bag, but I use it in that capacity. And that's the only way I've ever used it. So if you're interested, stick around. An LV lover or an LV enthusiast and you followed the brand for years, you've known about the brand for years, or if you've been around the block a few times, you'll know exactly what bag I'm talking about. It is the iconic Toiletry 26. So this particular bag in the way it's made. So full Monogram is no longer available. They discontinued this particular bag, and then they came out with a different edition of it, but we're not going to touch on that today because all we're going to do is focus on this baby right here. So the Toiletry 26 is one of those bags where you can use it as a true toiletry, right? So a travel piece, you know, you could put makeup when you're traveling, toiletry, you know, different toiletries, facial products, perfumes, etc. Or you could be like me and use it as a clutch. I use this bag solely as a clutch. Sometimes I attach a strap to it, sometimes I don't. But I absolutely love the sleek design of this bag. For me, it's a bag. I absolutely love the simplicity of how it's designed. It just has one zipper, and it is gold hardware. It has a tiny bit of a shutter on the strap, and it just says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. It's pretty patinaed. I've had this for like a lot of years, but it's still not like used, if that makes sense, as far as the patina, but it does have a very light patina on it. I'm pretty sure I probably sprayed something on this tab over the years. I believe I did. I can't remember, but I absolutely love the design. So normally, let me just take out this insert and then we'll touch on what the insert does. But the inside of it, it is a wipeable material. So it's green, but it is a wipeable material because remember, initially this bag is a toiletry, right? So if you're throwing like makeup brushes, etc., it's gonna get dirty. So Louis Vuitton did make it to where you could wipe the inside of this bag out. However, like I said, I use it as a bag. To be more specific, I use it as like a clutch. I typically put a strap with it, and the way I do that is I bought an insert, and my insert has 2 D-rings on it. You can see that. So the insert is beige, sort of like the interior, and it has 2 inserts. This particular insert, it has some card slots on the side. I believe I bought this on Amazon, very inexpensive. It has a slip pocket right here. The slip pocket because I solely utilize this insert simply for the D-rings. And the D-rings allow me to attach a strap to it. I have a favorite strap I normally use. I also, sometimes I'll use a Felici strap. I have different gold chains that I'll use. Like for instance, there's one that came with my East West Matisse that can go on here, but I generally attach a strap. If I don't, I carry it like this, if that makes sense. And I'll insert some photos. But yeah, I absolutely love the toiletry. I know several folks that carry this in the same exact manner, more of a clutch style. Again, I love the simplicity of the style. I love what it can hold. I can easily fit, I'll usually do like some type of card holder, my phone, like some lip gloss, and that's pretty much it. I don't make it to where it's bulky at all because again, I like this sleek look. So yeah, this is my Toiletry 26. Absolutely love her. I use it a lot for date nights, going to dinner, stuff like that. I love this bag. I think it was probably one of the best inventions ever. And then Louis Vuitton discontinued it, and then they brought it back in a different way. So yeah, but the original will always do it for me, always. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. It'll be Monday. Hopefully it's not a dreadful Monday for you guys. I know the beginning of the week sometimes is a bit hard with like work and stuff and all of your other commitments, but I hope you guys have a wonderful Monday. And until we meet tomorrow, be safe.